Today's video I will be showing you how to enable two-factor authentication on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. So first of all, enter this Bluesky application and then click on these three lines up here, then go to the settings, and here you will find privacy and security. So as you see here, you will find two-factor authentication, so click on enable. Now you can click enable. So that's it. That's how to add two-factor, or how to enable two-factor authentication easy and quickly. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. See you in the next video.